Hey yo, welcome back. Just ordered a new pinky extension for my Taurus GX4. I just want to make sure that it's empty, nothing in the chamber. All right. So I wanted a pinky extension for the Taurus because it's just my hands aren't that big, so I'm able to still kind of get a full grip, but I just wanted a more fuller grip. So I was looking at pinky extensions. Taurus itself has their own pinky extension. It's only $5, but there's a minimum amount to order to get it shipped. I think it was like 40 bucks or something like that. So I didn't want to spend that much money for a pinky extension. And they had one on Amazon for $12, and it came in 2 days. So this is it right here. Feels very nice, actually, very nice quality. And like a sand like a sandy texture, pretty nice quality. And so yeah, and it got here in 2 days. If I ordered at Taurus, it would have probably taken like a week. Just letting you know that there are options out there instead of just the Taurus pinky extension. So it's easy to remove it. Let's see here. All I gotta do is press this button right here. Press this button. Wait. Press this button. And push this. So now take this out, but hold your thumb here because there's a spring. You don't want it to spring out on you. All you gotta do is press this down. Get the pinky extension from Amazon. Oh. You find that thing. Okay. Oh my gosh. I did the opposite direction. Wow, it's a very strong spring. Okay, hold on. I'll go this way. Sweet. All right. There he is. Pinky extension from Amazon. Oh yeah. So now I got a full pinky grip right there. And it feels great. It's flush. Yeah, that's awesome. And it only came in 2 days. Thank you, Amazon. But yeah, just letting you know that you have an option out there for the Taurus pinky extension. It's pretty solid. Yeah. Cool. Well, just a quick video. Got a new pinky extension. It feels a lot better now for my daily carry. Yeah, thanks for hanging out. God loves you. I love you. Have a blessed day. See you later. Peace out.